invented languages, so they're in English, so it's way easier to understand, right?
Did you make these slides or not?
Yeah. So what's Python? Python's a programming language, but it's not just any type of language. So you'll typically find Java and C++ as the forefront of your computer language. Of your computer languages, right?
I wasn't paying attention to that. What is the forefront?
So, guys, so those languages are really hard to learn. You probably won't understand what they're saying because you need a lot of knowledge. You need to study a lot to actually understand what Python, what C++ and Java does, right?
So pretty much, I don't know what this means.
No, however, Python is what we call a general purpose programming language, meaning that it's very versatile. It can be used for many things, and it's also one of the simpler programming languages because you can do a lot of lot more stuff without you can do a lot more things without knowing too much. Yep.
My dad created his own website. Is that Python?
No, websites are usually made in HTML and JavaScript. Yeah. So Python's more of a back-end language. That means that it just does everything you don't see. HTML and JavaScript are usually more forefront languages. They're what you actually see on the web page. But Python is usually what you don't see, like any of the interactive stuff. Like if you see if you ever clicked on I don't know, if you ever hovered over something and everything fell down, it's either JavaScript or Python.
Everything fell down?